Welcome to Bev Jamaican. Cooking. Today I am cooking smoked turkey, chicken foot stew peas. Now let's get started. I have washed my peas and my garlic are in my pot. And this is my chicken foot that I'm going to add to my pot, which I have washed and cleaned also. So I'm going to add my chicken foot to my pot. And then this is my smoked turkey that I'm going to also add to my pot. And I'm cooking a quick and fast stew peas. Wash my hands. So now that I've added everything to my pot, now that I've added my chicken foot and my peas and everything in my pot, I'm going to turn on my flame. And then I am going to cover my pot and leave my stew to cook. Add some boiling water to my pot because the water has gone down in it. So now I'm going to add some coconut milk to my stew peas. I'm going to add a lot because I'm going to use some to cook my rice. So I add my coconut milk. I've washed my hands and I'm going to add my spinners in this pot. And when I add my spinners in the pot, I'm going to cover it and let it cook for a little while. And then I will check on my pot and then I add my seasoning to my pot. My smoked turkey have a salty flavor, so that my stew is salt already. So I don't have to add any flavor until when I'm ready. And now I'm going to add all of my seasoning into my pot. Bell pepper, onion, thyme, scallion, tomato, and pepper. I'm going to add my Maggi seasoning, all purpose. A lot of spice in it. To add 2 spoons. This Maggi seasoning gives your food nice flavor. I'm going to get my pimento seed. add my pimento seed. Some cayenne pepper. Some paprika. Some garlic powder. Stirring. Strew. And let all this season and spice simmer down into the stew. Again, cover my pot. Cover my pot and allow all this season and flavor to simmer down into my stew. Here I'm cooking my rice, coconut rice. I'm cooking my stew peas. This is my stew peas. All those seasoning, that's the bell pepper, the onion, scallion. This is finished and ready.